So to place an item on reserve, first you're going to go to our subject guide for course reserves. You can click here on the All Subject Guides from our homepage, hslic.unm.edu, and just type in course reserves. And here it is. And this will bring you to our faculty tab. It kind of gives you an explanation of what course reserves are, and then more importantly it gives you the forms to fill out. The most, probably the easiest way to do it is to click on Online Reserve Release Form, and this will bring up a form that you can submit directly online and not have to come into the library. So you can click on Begin, make sure you put in your name, email is required, as is a department, course name, and the number. And then it's important to put in a course start date, just so we know when to have the material ready for you. And an end date as well, so that we can pull it off the shelf, if it's a physical item. And then select your semester. And then make sure that you read the Fair Use and Copyright Guidelines summary. Once you've done that, you can click on this little box stating that you have read it, and then fill in the description of your material. You can simply put in the book title, author, as much information as you have. There are separate items, so if you have multiple items, feel free to put them on here. And then simply scroll to the bottom and then click Submit. And that's it, and then somebody will send you an email.